Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to share my 5-minute glam routine with you. I am starting my makeup applying toner to hydrate my face because it's a summer and I don't want to use lot of product. Lot of product to layering up my face. I just need a very lightweight that can hydrate my skin. So that's why I'm using this Dot and Kika hydration toner, and then I'm applying sunscreen. This is from Deconstruct sunscreen. This is also lightweight, and this is good for all skin type and best for the summer. I will apply this sunscreen to all over my face, and also I will apply this sunscreen to my neck area so that my face and neck will be protected from UV rays. Now I'm going to make DIY BB cream. For that I am taking the same sunscreen, like 1 pump of sunscreen and 1 pump of moisturizer. This is a lightweight gel based moisturizer, and now I'm using a foundation from Maybelline Fit Me, and the shade is 128, and I am mixing it like this, and I will apply all over my face, and I will directly blend it with my fingers, and it will take time to blend, but it will blend within a minute. And yeah, after blending it turned out like this, and I feel this is the best summer hack, because it will hydrate my skin, protect my skin, also have a foundation that will radiate my skin. So yes, this is the DIY BB cream which is good for summer. Now I will brushing my eyebrows, and I will give a structure, and I'm filling my eyebrows with the mascara eyebrow palette. I will try to fill my brows equally so that both eyebrows look same. Now this is the time for set my face. After applying any kind of BB cream, CC cream or base or foundation, we need to set our face with any kind of setting powder. Here I am using Maybelline Banana powder to set my face. I am blending it with the beauty blender. I am taking it little portion and then apply under my eye, over my forehead, jawline, all over my face to set. After setting my face look like a straight, like there is no structure. So to give a little contour or structure, I am using a bronzer to give a little structure to my face. I am using this natural Limmi London bronzer, and applying with the brush to my eyelids, all over my eyelids, and I will apply this under the eyelashes also to give a nice look to my eyes. I will apply this all over my eyelids, and I will blend it well with my brush, and I will apply this also under my lower lashes. And lastly, I will contour my nose with this bronzer, and I feel कि bronzer is the best for the summer to contour your face, especially for the day look. This is really good. So after contouring my face, I will directly go for the lip, and for the lip I am using a glossy lip balm. This is from Foxtale, and the shade is maybe mauve shade, and I will apply all over my lip. I like kind of glossy lip, that's why I'm using this lip balm. And then I will apply a kind of little pink nude shade for the day look. Here I'm using plum lipstick, and the shade is 127 Jazzberry lipstick. This is the perfect for summer daily use. Lastly, I am using mascara to finish my whole look, and I absolutely love mascara. Mascara makes my eye big it opens my eye. So yes, this is my final look. This is absolutely, you know, soft glam look, and it took 5 minutes to create this look. And thank you so much watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe. Show some love to my channel. Do subscribe and try this look and let me know in my comment section. I went for a movie and after 3 hours my face looked like this, so this is absolutely perfect for, you know, summer. Thank you. See you on my next video.